Okay, this is the trading recap for Wednesday. It is 2:46. New York markets fixing to close. And today was a good day with trading the IBR range. Let's go over this chart. So this is the IBR initial balance range as the first hour of the day. This one is the 8:30 open, 9 o'clock. As you can see, we went way up here. Now I did take some scalps before at the open, going to break the high of Asia because we had a strong momentum going there. So took some scalps there. I did start selling right about between mid-level of R2 and R1 when it had rejection there, and held a few trades to about the 50%. This level right here, when it got broken, is where I took most of my scalps out. You can see this is the IBR range. Took the sales from basically at the top of our IBR was the high of the day, which we were at R2, so I had real strong conviction that we would be able to drop from there because that was an overextended candle. And plus you were out of the Keltner channel in R2, and that is the high of the week. So I had really good conviction, the scalp going lower and to hold it. And I got out over here, especially done for the day. I was gone the rest of the day, ran some errands, came back, and we touched the low of the IBR. If I was on the charts, I would have got back in the trades because of this touch here, going it up. So, but that was a good range to trade from. And I'm usually waiting until these levels get taken out. If we would have taken us out, I would have scalped here going down. Would have come down here, I would have took a buy. So with the IBR range for me, it's really easy to look at the levels, especially if you're at resistance and at the IBR and you're overextended on the Keltner channel. Same goes here. If you're overextended on the Keltner channel, you are at even a pivot point or the low of the day or S1, that would be a good place to scalp going up. And of course, always using price action. I would get my bias here, but then I would always trade off the charts. Basically, as you can see here, this is the swing high. That was the high of the day. That was the high of the IBR. Then I started scalping going down. So you would just take the lower highs until you got to where your level was at. Let's see here. Just going with the price action and momentum. When I know there's a momentum going, I scaled in on more trades. So using the micro 4, 20, and 40, 4 ticks. Now I did move the 40 further down just because I knew what level at the 50% we wanted to go hit. So, but I did scale in on some trades. So we passed this account here, 707, so we're over 53. We're at 53,400, I believe. And this account here, we had 545 in profit. So if we bring this up, and this is on Bulenox eval accounts, 707, 53,440, 51,905, 545 profit on that. So we're almost, we should be able to pass this one hopefully in a couple days or before the week is over. And this other one got passed. As always, trade what you see, not what you think. I had high conviction when we were up here that we were going to drop, and I went ahead and scalp on the down using the price action, lower highs. Of course, you had a bunch of consolidation, but I really had strong conviction that we were going to drop at least to the 50% of the IBR level, which these levels are actually very, very good, especially when you're R2, R1, or S1, S2, and it always tends to go back to the open, as you can see right there. That's almost where the 50% was. So, good day trading today, and trading an NQ Nasdaq on micros.